Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Once done, remove the seat and the underseat storage tray to expose the tail area. Make sure to keep screws organized. Use a trim tool to loosen panels, then unbolt the tail lamp assembly with an 8mm socket. You're creating safe access to the plug housing so you can work without straining connectors or wires. Now focus on the plug itself. Press the connector latch and pull straight to avoid bending pins. If resistance occurs, double-check for hidden screws. Once free, remove any retaining clip or screw. Make sure the harness isn't twisted. Inspect the wiring, clean corrosion with contact cleaner and a soft brush. Insert the new plug aligned to the keyed shape. Press firmly until the latch engages. Make sure pins seat fully and there's no gap. This prevents intermittent electrical faults. Reassemble in reverse order. Reinstall the tail lamp, panels, and seat, torquing bolts to spec so nothing rattles loose. Once done, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the affected circuits. Turn signals, brake light, and running lights, one at a time to confirm correct function. If something fails, make sure to check the fuse and use a multimeter to verify continuity through the new plug. If you still see issues, reseat the connector and inspect for bent pins or damaged wires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.